Dear Keppel team, my name is Jasmeet Singh and I lead manufacturing globally for Infosys. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and I wish you a very happy new year. Keppel will be a very important relationship for Infosys and for me. I want to highlight 3 specific reasons why we want to be your partner. Think of these as 3 C's. The first is culture and the value system. Keppel is a trusted global company building a sustainable future. Infosys is also, it's ranked number 3 in the Forbes list of best regarded companies globally. We have a huge focus on sustainability and actually became fully carbon neutral in 2020. We have a 2030 vision for ESG, and that includes working with our clients like you to help drive sustainability. We are also one of the very select companies to receive the UN's Climate Change Award. As you can see, sustainability is very important for us and aligns very well with your vision. The second thing I want to highlight is collaboration. And collaboration is key for us. We work in a partnership model with our clients to drive mutual success. Globally, we work with just over 1,000 enterprise customers, and our model is built on repeat business and earning your trust on a daily basis. That percentage for us is over 98%. But collaboration is also about bringing the best of the ecosystem to you, whether it is with the hyperscalers or other partners. We feel that you are open to ideas, and that gives us comfort that we can collaborate with you and that we will be, more importantly, listened to as well. Lastly, commitment. Commitment for us at the account level and also at a senior management level is important. I, along with my team, are fully committed here to your success and the success of this initiative. But let me expand a little bit about what that commitment actually means for you on an ongoing basis. Our strategy, and that is public, what it means is it actually points to helping our clients navigate your next. And we do that by being the navigators to you, working alongside to drive grounds up and top down innovation that is focused on continuously delivering value. We are passionate about this, and this is what you will experience when working with a partner like Infosys. All of this experience is delivered to you under our values framework of C Life, which is client value, leadership by example, integrity, fairness, and excellence. So I'll really look forward to hoping that we work with you, that we have the opportunity to work with you, and look forward to engaging further with you and learning more about Keppel. And hopefully we have the opportunity to also share a bit more about our story. Thank you so much. And like I said, I look forward to engaging with you further.